Imagine a world where the sun casts a warm glow, a gentle breeze rustles through the leaves, and you're holding a glass filled with vibrant hues of blended fruits. Welcome to the symphony of smoothies, a harmonious blend of nature's bounty, where every ingredient plays its part to create a tantalizing melody of flavors. Today, our orchestra features tropical maestros like mangoes and pineapples, waltzing in sync with the tart notes of berries. Each sip of this symphony carries the sweet, the tangy, and the exotic, all swirling in a creamy blend that defies the need for dairy. This is where the magic happens, the transformation of fruits into fluid artistry, a performance that's not just pleasing to the palate but also caters to those who choose to stay clear of lactose. This isn't just a smoothie, it's a melody of taste that transcends the boundaries of lactose. Our journey takes us through a wonderland of lactose-free alternatives, where almond milk, coconut milk, and oat milk reign supreme. These aren't mere substitutes, they're the secret ingredients that transform your smoothie from ordinary to extraordinary. Each lends its own unique touch, elevating the creaminess and adding a distinct flavor profile that turns your everyday smoothie into a gourmet experience. Now, imagine diving deeper into this lactose-free wonderland, discovering the subtle charm of chia seeds and flax seeds. These tiny powerhouses are more than just texture enhancers. They're brimming with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, infusing your smoothie with a nutritional boost that makes every sip a healthy delight. So let's raise a glass to these unsung heroes of the lactose-free world. They're not just making our smoothies creamier and tastier, but also healthier. These seeds not only add texture, but pack a punch of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, making your sips as healthy as they are delicious. As our smoothie adventure concludes, we invite you to explore the wide array of lactose-free goodness awaiting you. Dive headfirst into a realm where the symphony of flavors plays a sweet melody, tantalizing your taste buds with every sip. Liquidfood.net is your gateway to this world. It's a treasure trove of recipes, tips, and the finest ingredients for those who dare to defy the dairy norm. Each page you visit unveils a new secret, a new way to delight in the creamy, dreamy luxury of smoothies without the constraints of lactose. Embrace the benefits of going lactose-free. Revel in the nutritional boost, the enhanced digestion, and the sheer joy of indulging without worry. It's not just about avoiding discomfort, it's about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes your health without compromising on taste. Let liquidfood.net be your guide to a world where taste knows no bounds, and lactose is but a distant memory. Please take a moment to explore a few lactose-free smoothie recipes in this video's description below. Cheers to a world of delectable possibilities.